we would like to welcome our Sunampat Core Group, Ma'am Sol Mosqueda, Donnie Galigaw, Yvonne Valencia, isasaw na ko ha, Benji Sampaan, J. Boy Baluchay, and Kelly Ramos. Our Sonata for the music, local mentors, Dexter Latosa, welcome, Paolo Garrido Mamay, Cinco Michael Posare, Ray Langkao, Casey Salazar, Aaron Sumampong, and Dodo Abrio. Welcome. And for our Alampa, for the arts, local mentors, we have Raquel Tisha, Ramos Palaganas, Maria Rochelle Olario Miano, Oscar Loreto, Ray Gallardo, Jericho Boliosos, and Valusto Bamenta. Welcome. And of course, our JD Gender Development Focal Chair, Ma'am Sheila Lumbatan, ayun na po Sheila, and the representative of Vice Mayor Bebo Rodriguez and Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, Sir Michael Villamor, and of course, ang kauban sa Councilor Bernie Pitong Esparcia, and of course our IT representative, Councilor Kabali, Dato Kabali. Dato makilala siya, ako Dato di makilala. Joke lang Dato ba? And of course, welcome to our guest celebrity mentor, Joey Ayala. Ako isang pinatuan sa NPS sa Manila Town Square sa Davao City, pero hindi na ako siya maktan. Pero naktan din ako siya after how many years. Dali po yun sa Cagayan de Oro City. Sir Joey, thank you so much. Welcome to Cagayan de Oro. Umaway Soray, welcome to Cagayan de Oro. And our multi-awarded facilitators, Miss Pauline Salvania Bautista. Ano siya, kasi siya sa actual regional director sa Department of Tourism na si May Utuan. May Salvania Utuan. Thank you, Miss Ana Marie Malik, Miss Ana Gloria Dato, Mr. Jaime B. Hernandez Jr., Miss Cecilia G. Arlates. Welcome to Cagayan de Oro City. And of course, yes, unmentioned by Sunampat Co-Chair and the City Council, Councilor Bernie Pitong Esparcia. So Mindanao, as we all know, prides itself for having the richest culture and heritage. And thanks to our local artists, we are able to keep our unique identity through music and arts by putting importance our ethnic origins as we go forward to a more progressive Cagayan de Oro City, more progressive Mindanao, and more progressive country. So welcome